students, today we are going to study computer software. So before going to understand what is a computer software, we need to understand what is computer. So computer is a word itself, not a acronym. Acronym means it is not an abbreviated word. That is, some people are saying that, and if you Google the full form of the computer, so it shows the commonly operated machine, particularly used for technical and educational research, which is completely a myth, because computer doesn't have any full form. Computer is itself in a complete word, because it is myth. Just because computer, when it is invented, when it was invented, computer is only used for the calculation, not for the educational or research purpose. So this is the full form of computer is completely myth. It is itself a computer. So what does the meaning of computer? Computer meaning is to compute something. That is, it refers simply compute, that is to perform a calculation. So in a simple way, we can say that computer is an electronic device that performs the operation very fast. It is a simple definition, or if you want to elaborate it in some very definite words, so you can say computer is an electronic device that performs the diverse operations on the basis of the instruction given to it, and it gives the output accordingly. So computer is an electronic device. It is an electronic device which performs diverse operations. What are the diverse operations? Like arithmetical operations and logical operations, and diverse operation on given instructions, and generate or gives the desired output. So this is a complete definition of a computer. Now we will talk about what is software. Software can be abbreviated like SW, or we can use software like this way. So we can abbreviate software like in the short form both two ways. Software is any program on your computer system. Any program on your computer system is known as a software. Software enables hardware to run, or we can say that software is a most appropriate definition of software is a set of instructions. What is it? Is a set of, not instruction, it is a set of instructions, or we can say that it is a set of programs. So what is program? Program is a single set of instruction. That means program has only one instruction, but software is a set of instruction. It is a stack of instruction, that is a collection of the programs to complete or to accomplish the particular task completely. So whatever applications, any programs that run on your computer system, or devices, is simply known as a software. So how many types of the software? So we can broadly divide the software in two ways: application software and the system software. Now system software also divided in various categories, and the application software is also divided in the various categories. We will see all the categories of the software in the next video, and this is for the introduction of the software. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel.